Welcome to the world of unstoppable machines, roaring chainsaws, and fearless lumberjacks. This is where giant trees fall and raw lumber is transformed. Let the logging action begin. Welcome to Saw Masters. Deep in the forest, where one wrong move means a fatal fall, a lone chainsaw operator stares danger in the face. The chainsaw screams through the silence, every cut echoing like a countdown. Each crack in the wood, each slip of the soil beneath his boots, brings him closer to the edge, literally and figuratively. With nerves of steel and hands of grit, he battles both gravity and the massive tree looming before him. One miscalculation, and the tree could fall the wrong way, triggering a landslide or worse. This isn't just logging. This is a high-stakes duel between man and the unforgiving wild.
Yeah, that's an easy one. Oh.
Meet the beast, the Husqvarna 3120 XP, one of the most powerful chainsaws in the world. With ease, it slices through massive logs and thick stumps like a blade through butter. No hesitation, no resistance, just raw cutting force. The operator moves with confidence, controlling every angle, every cut. This isn't just wood cutting, it's domination. Precision, power, and performance, Husqvarna 3120 XP delivers it all. Mounted on a powerful Volvo truck chassis, the ChipMax 484VR appears like a mobile wood processing station. ready to take on any challenge. With a compact design yet outstanding capacity, this machine can be transported to any logging site, from the forest edge to central wood yards. A dedicated loader gently lifts each log and places it into the feed chute. The moment contact is made, ChipMax's hydraulic feed system kicks in, pulling the timber deep inside. Reinforced steel blades spin at high speed, shredding the wood into uniform chips with remarkable precision. Whether it's branches, logging residue, or full logs, everything is processed cleanly and efficiently. The resulting wood chips are directly discharged into a storage truck or designated pile, optimizing transport efficiency and minimizing labor needs. The ChipMax 484 VR is more than just a chipper. It's a flexible mobile solution, bringing wood processing technology directly to the source, saving both time and operating costs for the modern forestry industry. A massive tree, towering and strong. But today, it meets its match. With the mighty Husqvarna chainsaw in hand, the operator begins the first deep cut. The blade bites through the solid trunk with raw precision. Step by step, notch by notch, the giant starts to give way. And then, a final roar, and it crashes down. Power, control, and respect for the forest. This is timber work at its finest. Watching an industrial beast devour a forest. The operator takes just seconds to grab a log, and the chipper takes less than a minute to turn it into hundreds of wood fragments. Efficient, clean, and not a single piece goes to waste. Whether under scorching sun or in muddy, slippery terrain, the operator remains calm and focused, steadily feeding each log into the machine. Storm-felled trees or sustainably harvested timber, everything is neatly processed by the chipper's relentless blades. The chainsaw slices through the tree base with precision, while the powerful pusher arm moves in to guide the fall. With strength and control, the tree is safely brought down in seconds. The wood chipper is hard at work beside a workshop, creating a vivid industrial scene. Massive logs are fed in one after another, without pause. The grinder operates with relentless force, powerfully drawing each log inward and shredding it to pieces in seconds. The roar of metal combines with the crunching of wood, producing a deep, commanding sound. The shredded wood chips are ejected through the discharge chute with tremendous pressure, shooting high into the air in a soaring spray before cascading down like a gentle wooden rain. Fine wood dust lingers in the air, catching the sunlight and forming a soft, glowing haze around the work area. In the heart of the dense forest, the chainsaw roars to life. With precision and power, it slices through the thick trunk of a towering tree. Sawdust flies, the blade spins relentlessly, and nature echoes with the sound of machinery. This moment captures the raw force of man and machine working deep in the wilderness.
Goes on!
At the job site, logs are often piled high, trees fallen from storms, branches from land clearing, and even decaying or unused timber. The chipper devours them all, shredding each piece down to uniform wood chips. Nothing goes to waste. These chips are then transported into recycling systems, where they become wood pellets, engineered board, sawdust for animal bedding, paper pulp, or fuel for industrial biomass boilers. More than just machines for disposal, wood chippers play a crucial role in turning waste into resource, extending the useful life of wood, and reducing environmental burden. They may resemble monsters in form and sound, but in function, they are vital tools in a sustainable and circular industrial ecosystem. On an open clearing by the edge of the forest, the VERMEER HG6800TX wood grinder, painted in a bright industrial yellow, stands like a mechanical beast gleaming under the late afternoon sun. The steel exterior reflects light, casting a modern, powerful presence against the wild, wooded backdrop. A hydraulic grapple arm works steadily, graceful yet firm, lifting and placing bundles of felled logs into the wide feed opening of the machine. With each delivery of wood, a rumble fills the air, the cracking of fibers, the grinding of metal, and the roar of the engine combine into an industrial symphony set amidst nature. Inside, the HG6800TX's high-speed grinding system makes quick work of the heavy logs. Its sharp steel teeth spin rapidly. Each motion is careful and controlled. The branch starts to crack, just moments before it gives way and drops to the ground. He stays calm, focused, and ready for the next cut.